Brought to you by Dealer Synergy, Bradley On Demand has over 500 hours of powerful curriculum. With over 8,000 modules and more than 150 guest instructors, Bradley On Demand is the automotive industry's #1 24/7 interactive training, tracking, testing, and certification program. Bradley On Demand is for you. Someone looking for anything from professional development to work-life balance, financial freedom to controlling your own schedule, and so much more. Everything from showroom sales, sales management, phone sales, BDC, and CRM. And if all that's not enough, Bradley On Demand is fun. We turn dealership training into a game. There's a leaderboard to drive your sales team to success through competition. But don't feel left out. You'll be able to view all of their progress thanks to our report cards and analytics. And no game is complete without a way for the players to communicate. Inside our platform is a community, kind of like an internal Facebook, which gives your team the opportunity to share in their successes. Speaking of success, the top people in any industry are certified. Our certifications ensure your team have been trained properly and efficiently. Once they're certified, that's not it. With our favorites feature, they can easily save their favorite modules to re-experience, because training isn't something you did, it's something you do. And if you forget to save a module, our search engine is a quick way to find exactly what you need. Still don't think this sounds like the right fit? We'll make it fit. Bradley On Demand allows free and complete customization for your dealership that lets you create the dealer-specific training your team needs. And thanks to our file vault, storing and having access to important documents has never been easier. Interactive on-demand training is awesome. However, we wanted to add a live touch. So all of our Bradley On Demand clients get free access to our Dealer Synergy Academy classes. Conducted by Dealer Synergy subject matter experts, these live trainings are designed to help you solve real problems in real time for everything from price, inventory, CRM, and marketing. Bradley On Demand addresses all of these and more. We even offer a full program for receptionists and BDC hosted by Tony Ann Fardette called The $1 Billion Girl. Not only do we have the world's best automotive trainers, we have frontline dealer principals, GMs, record-breaking sales individuals, and owners of billion-dollar dealer groups. With roughly 20 years of being the automotive industry's best, Bradley On Demand is what you need to become an automotive guru. If you're ready to start right now, then stop watching this video. Go to bradleyondemand.com and give your team access to the best automotive training in the world.